On behalf of ACS number 2, I welcome you all. You all kids are looking lovely, very energetic, and I think you are ready to recite your poem. So I wish you good luck, and I invite CCA in charge, Mrs. Ratnanjali Bajolia, to encourage you.
Thank you, Sarita madam. Hello, my tiny tots. How are you? Say your thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up. Yeah, it means you are listening to me very nicely. Okay, so I welcome you for today's CCA event, English poem recitation. You people are doing a great job, and I just thank your parents because they are taking so much pain, and my entire team, the teachers who are sitting over here, the judges, the keeper madam, and the technical in charge Mahesh sir, and the announcer madam Sarita. I thank them all, and I wish everyone, each one of you, all the very best. CCA is very important, beta. Don't think about winning or losing. Whether you lose or win doesn't matter, but participation is a must. So you should always participate. It enhances and enriches your leadership skills. Okay? So wish you all the very best. Over to Sarita madam.
Thank you, madam.
मैम
Yes, Nikita.
मैम पहले मेरा कैमरा नहीं चल रहा था इसलिए मेरा गड़बड़ हो गई थी
Beta, we called you so many times. Now you have to wait. We'll take up at the last. After completion of first standard, then only we will listen to you. Okay? You have to wait till then. Okay, beta, mute yourself. है ना? Yes, children. So before we start the competition, once again, I'm telling you the criteria on which you are going to be judged. Content of your poem, your action, presentation and rhythm. इन तीनों चीजों का ध्यान रखना है ना. Actions अच्छे से करने, अच्छे से present करिए और rhythm में poem सुनाइए to get good marks. Okay, so let us start. And first participant for class 1 is Arush Kumar. Arush Kumar, first A. Yes, Arush, you can start. Arush, start करो बेटा. बेटा, we cannot hear you. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. अपना माइक अनम्यूट करिए पहले. Okay, doesn't matter. Arush, you first adjust your camera. We'll call you after some time. Okay, you can sort out the technical issue. We'll come to you later on. Now I'm calling Amritosmi Saha. Amritosmi, you can start.
My poem is Dream. Kiriring, the bell is ringing. School is calling. Madam, Amritoshmi ने अपना पेंसिल ले लिया. What happened, Amritoshmi? Whispering, hearing the noise. That my teacher, my friend boy. School is calling. Come. Here, study lots of fun. Wait, ready to go. Wake up. Mama, school. Kushal corona time, beta. School. No. Childhood is crying. Uniform is crying. Study, activity, everything online. Oh God, help you little dears. They're really not fine. I'm Amritoshmi from class 1. Thank you.
Very nice, Amritoshmi. You really acted so well it was. Arush Yadav, if you are ready, you can start your poem.
बोलो मैम, आवाज आ रही है? पूछो मैम से.
मैम आवाज आ रही है?
बिल्कुल आ रही है. शुरू करिए आप.
शुरू करें.
Good morning all of you. My name is Arush. Today I am going to recite a poem. Title of my poem is Healthy Food. Tomatoes are red,
बोलो लक्ष्मी बोलो मैम आवाज आ रही है सीरियस बोलो
Like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have a juice which I can drink. Vegetables makes me healthy and wise. I will eat some daily with milk and rice. Thank you.
Very good, Arush. Yes, we must eat fruits and vegetables. And I again request the parents, after completion of your poem, you please immediately mute yourself. You should not disturb the other participant. थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए कि पोएम खत्म होते ही अपना माइक आप म्यूट कर दें ताकि दूसरे बच्चे के टर्न पे डिस्टरबेंस ना हो. नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज अनमोल वशिष्ठ.
Good morning, teacher. मेरा नाम अनमोल. My name is Anmol Vasit. I read in class first. Today I am telling you.
Just a minute, Anmol. Anmol, we cannot hear you properly, beta. Anmol, just a minute. आपकी आवाज क्लियरली नहीं आ रही है बेटा. We cannot hear you. Come near to the camera and speak little bit loudly. थोड़ा जोर
Good
से बोलो.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. मेरा नाम अनमोल. My name is Anmol Vasit. I read in class first. Today I am telling you this poem. 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flower and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes the flower. Up comes the tree, pretty pink flower. Up comes the sun, down that every plant needs. Up comes the two funny old weeds. Thank you.
Thank you, Anmol. Now, next participant is Anshika Rajora. Anshika.
एक मिनट
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, student. My name is Anshika Rajora. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? हेलो मैम. हेलो. गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट.
कितनी देर बाद में रिपीट हो रही है आवाज?
माय नेम इज अंशिका राजोरा. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? हेलो मैम. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
कितनी देर बाद में
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
ये हम तब तक दूसरे बच्चे को ले लेते हैं, फिर अंशिका के पास वापस आते हैं. चिन्मय ढाकर. नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज चिन्मय ढाकर.
गुड मॉर्निंग टीचर. माय पोएम टाइटल इज क्लैप योर हैंड. क्लैप योर हैंड. क्लैप योर हैंड. लिस्टिंग
Just a
टू
minute,
द म्यूजिक.
चिन्मय वेट करो जरा. चिन्मय ढाकर, बेटा आप कैमरे में ठीक से दिख नहीं रहे हो. पहले कैमरा एडजस्ट करो. हमें सिर्फ आपके आईज नजर आ रहे हैं, है ना. आप थोड़ा सा पीछे जाओ, कैमरा ठीक से रखो. अपना कैमरा स्टेबल करिए. बहुत ज्यादा शेक हो रहा है, हिल रहा है. चिन्मय आप वेट करिए बेटा, चिन्मय बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टरबेंस है, वापस आपको कॉल करते हैं हम थोड़ी देर में, है ना। चिन्मय अपने आप माइक म्यूट कर लीजिए, विल कॉल यू आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स। चिन्मय के पेरेंट्स से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, आप म्यूट कर लीजिए, हम चिन्मय को वापस सुन लेंगे। नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज हिमांशी अहीर। हिमांशी,
Yes, ma'am.
start your poem.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Himanshu. I am telling a poem. My poem name is Healthy Food. Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown, just like bean. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have a juice which I can drink. Vegetable make me healthy and wise. I eat some daily, milk and rice. Thank you.
Thank you, Himanshi. It was really a good poem. Next participant is Prateek Kumar. Prateek. I think Prateek is not there. So we are moving further. Now I call upon Ria Meena. Ria Meena.
गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम रिया मीना है। मैं फर्स्ट क्लास ए में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं सुनाने जा रही हूँ आपको रोली पोली की कहानी। रोली पोली अप अप अप, रोली पोली डाउन डाउन डाउन, रोली पोली इन, रोली पोली आउट आउट आउट, रोली पोली लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट, रोली पोली राइट राइट राइट। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू रिया। एक बार मैं फिर से सबको याद दिला दूं, बेटा अपने एक्शन का, प्रेजेंटेशन का ध्यान रखिए। आप बैठ के भी अगर पोएम बोल रहे हैं और एक्शंस कर रहे हैं तो कैमरा अच्छे से एडजस्ट करिए ताकि यहाँ जजेस को क्लियरली नजर आए आपके एक्शंस। एक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कैसे प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो अपनी पोएम को। नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज श्रावष्टी। श्रावष्टी, you can start your poem, बेटा।
A very warm good morning to everyone. I am Shravasti from class first, standing before you to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Just Be the You, Just Be the You. Hey woman, I am here to salute you. Your behavior, your kindness and attitude. Sacrifices of women are usually untold. Compromises are said to be whole. Every time women have to apologize. I don't know why. They don't show their pain. I don't know why. Hey woman, I'm here to say that you are a bird who has wings to fly over the sky. As a mother, as a daughter, as a sister, and as a friend. Just look at you. Women are divine. Women are heroic. Just be the you, just be the you. Let's clap for the brave women of our India. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravasti, for this wonderful poem. You have given a lovely message to all the lovely women. This world is incomplete without women. You are very true. Excellent poem. The next participant is Shreyans Jain.
Good morning. My name is Shreyansh and today I am going to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Open the Book. Open the book and you will find people and place of every kind. Open a book. You can be anything that you want to be. Open a book. You can share wonders one you find in there. Open a book and I will you read to me. I read to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyans. Yes, books are our best friend. Next participant is Anika. Anika.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Anika. Today I am going to recite a poem, An Apple. Up in the apple tree, high off the ground, I see an apple so big and round. I climb up the tree and hold on tight. I picked that apple and take a big bite. Good.
Thank you, Anika. Yes, it's really good to eat an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now I'm calling Anvay Gupta. Anvay Gupta.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Anvay Gupta. I am in first class. Title of my poem is Let Us Play. Let us pray. God made the sun, and God made the trees, and God made the mountains, and God made me. Thank you, O God, for sun and the trees, for making the mountains and making me. Thank you.
Thank you, Anvay. Yes, we must thank God for all these beautiful gifts. Next participant is Kartik Tawar. Kartik Tawar.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Kartik Tawar. My poem, my mom. My mom is nice. I like her eyes. My mom is good. I love her food. My mom is funny. I love her bunny. My mom is fine and can sunshine. I love your mom and we are happy family. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kartik. Next participant is Kaustubh. Kaustubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kaustubh, you can start, beta.
Good morning, teachers and all my friends. My name is Kaustubh. I am going to recite a poem. On my first day, I felt a little scared. You held my hand and showed you care. You nurtured me and helped me to grow. You taught me I can give anything a go. You make me laugh and you make me kindness. You too took away all my shyness. Thank you for everything you have done. Having you my teacher is so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaustubh, for appreciating all your teachers. Now next is Kirti Thakre. Kirti Thakre. Okay, Kirti is not there. Kirti is not there, so we can move on to Megan. Megan, you can start your poem. Yes, beta, start.
Good morning, everybody. Respected teachers, honorable judges, my dear friends. My name is Megan Sudhir. I study in first B. Friends, do you know we are so lucky we go to school? There are so many children who do not go to school. So, the title of my poem is Stop Child Labor, written by Annoor. How rude, how bad. How rude, how bad. For the child who wants to learn, why their parents send them to earn. This is their burning age. Don't keep them in the cage. This is not a right time to earn. This is a best time to learn. Child should be treated with love and care. Child labor is not fair. Feeding a child is not charity, our obligation and responsibility. Let us do our little favor. Let us do our little favor. Raise your voice against child labor. Don't give a child tool. Instead, send them to school. Please stop child labor. It is a crime. Thank you.
Very good, Megan. You have given a beautiful message. We all must fight against child labor. It is a crime. Next participant is Navya Singh. Navya Singh. Navya Singh. Beta, please switch on your video. We cannot see you. Navya, अपना video on करिए. She has left. I think she is having some network problem. So I am calling now Pahal Shrangi. Pahal. Pahal.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pahal Shrangi. I study in first. My poem, Dalt. People are talking, telling water edited. Somewhere my friends are lost. But the chip liver chunk. That I like most. I remember about them. They did not know radiation gun. Please, plantly instead of indirectly. Otherwise, my beauty will become a history. Thank you.
Thank you, Pahal, for this beautiful poem. Now next is Sanvi Maurya. Sanvi Maurya.
Respected ma'am, my name is Sanvi Maurya. I study in one class. Today I will recite a poem on Indian flag Tiranga. Three colors in the Indian flag. Three colors in the Indian flag. Saffron, white and green. Saffron, white and green. I would like to tell you to me what they mean. Saffron is for courage. Saffron is for courage. For people strong and brave. For people strong and brave. White is for purity. White is for purity. For peace which we crave. For peace which we crave. Green is for prosperity. Green is for prosperity. For my country to grow. To be ahead of others and never to be slow. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Sanvi, for telling us the meaning of three colors of our flag. Saffron is for courage, white is for beauty and peace, and green is for prosperity. I hope all the children will keep this thing in their mind. What is the meaning of these three colors? Why our flag is tricolor? Thank you, Sanvi. Now next is Yash Gunawat. Yash Gunawat. Beta, please adjust your camera. We cannot see you. Yes, now you are visible. You can start the poem.
My name is Yash. I study in first class. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary Ellen could taste of 5, 6, 7, 8, eating cherry of filling. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Yash. Now I am calling Rudransh, class first B. Rudransh.
Ma'am, one object but next. Yes,
Navya, you please wait, बेटा. We'll come to you. हमने बोला था ना वापस आएंगे आप लोग के पास. जिनका नहीं हुआ है ना उनको फिर से बुलाएंगे. Don't worry. थोड़ा सा वेट करिए. Yes, Rudransh, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, teachers. My name is Rudransh Gupta. I am in first B. Brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Properly brush them every day. Properly brush them every day. Wash your face. Wash it every day. Properly wash it every day. Properly wash it every day. Comb your hair. Comb it every day. Properly comb it every day. Properly comb it every day. Eat your food. Eat it every day. Properly eat it every day. Drink your milk. Drink it every day. Properly drink it every day. Properly drink it every day. Thank you.
Thank you, Rudransh. You have made us aware of so many good habits through your poem. Now we are moving on to Krishnam. Krishnam. Himaksh, please wait. Right now is the turn of Krishnam.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, teachers. My name is Krishnam Gupta. I am in first B. I jump in a bathtub. It's time to get us clean. I will be the cleanest kid you have ever seen. The soap and the bubbles start filling up the tub. So I will jump in the water. It's love. Wash my hair, good to see. Wash my hair, good to see. Wash my hair. Wash my face, good to see. Wash my face, good to see. Wash my face. I jump in a bathtub. It's time to get us clean. I will be the cleanest kid you have ever seen. The soap and the bubbles are filling up the tub. So I will jump in the water. It's crap. Wash my arms, good to see. Wash my arms, good to see. Wash my arms. Wash my hands. I jump in the bathtub. It's time to get us clean. I will be the cleanest kid you have ever seen. The soap and the bubbles are filling up the tub. So I will jump in the water. Scrub. Wash my knees, wash my knees, wash my knees. Wash my toes, wash my toes, wash my toes. I am all clean, I am all clean, I am all clean. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishnam. Next is Shivansh. Shivansh, class first A. Shivansh. I think Shivansh is not there. So I call upon Shubhrakanta. Shubhrakanta,
Yes, ma'am.
please switch on your video, beta. Video on karo. You can start.
I am. Good morning. Good afternoon, principal and teacher. My name is Sulokan Manna. Today I will recite a poem. My poem name is The Rainbow. The Rainbow. I am so happy. Do you know why? There is a rainbow in the sky. As violet as a grape, as indigo as an ink, as blue as the sky, as green as a leaf, as yellow as the sun, as orange as a carrot, and red as a cherry. Rainbow, rainbow in the sky, rainbow, rainbow in the sky, peeping out, the clouds go by. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhrakanta. You told us all the colors of a rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Thank you once again. Now I am calling those children, those who are having some network issues. The first one is Anshika Rajora. Anshika. Anshika Rajora, you can start your poem now, beta.
Good morning, teacher.
Now I am calling.
Good morning, class. My name is Anshika Rajora. I
Anshika Rajora, you can start your poem.
table in 1A. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. Good morning, class. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light round the corner, shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Thank you.
Thank you, Anshika. Now I call upon Chinmay Dhakar. Chinmay.
कैसे हो गया?
Yes, Chinmay. Start your poem. Unmute करो बेटा, पहले खुद को unmute करो. Start करो बेटा.
Jump you high, jump you high, listen to the music, jump you high. Wherever you are, listen to the music, wherever your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, listen to the music, clap your hands. Thank you.
Thank you, Chinmay. Next participant is Kirti Thakre. Kirti.
बोला गीत
आ गया आपका नंबर?
Yes, Kirti. You can start.
Good morning, madam. My name is Kirti Thakre.
बोलो. बोलो.
My poem is Nether. Nether is night. Nether is tongue. Nether is beauty. Nether is my. Nether is thought. Nether is it math. Nether is blue. Nether is green. Nether is two. Nether is you. Nether is me. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Now, Navya Singh. Navya Singh.
Good
Navya Singh, are you
morning,
there?
ma'am. My name is Navya Singh. I am going to recite a poem on nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, the beach is so cool. Mother Nature best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what do we do? Make her a mess. Let's make her the best by producing less and less and preserve her green dress, pocket and the red. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Navya. Pratik Kumar. Pratik Kumar. I think Pratik is not there. He is absent. So now I call upon Nikita Kumari, second B. Nikita Kumari, second B.
Good afternoon. My name is Nikita Kumari, class second D. चलो poem start करते हैं. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell his head, boy ahead. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys. One fell his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey is jumping on the bed. One fell his head, bumping on the head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikita. Samarth, have you joined us? Samarth and Pavitra. Both of them are not there. So now I'm going to Himaksh. Himaksh, class 1. Before you start your poem, Himaksh, just a minute. I'm just telling you one thing, बेटा. हम लोग sufficient time देते हैं अपना नाम रजिस्टर कराने के लिए, लिंक भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. तो मैं आपके पेरेंट्स को बोल रही हूँ कि आप प्लीज बच्चे का नाम टाइम से दीजिए. टीचर के पास नाम आता ही नहीं है तो हम कहाँ से उसको लिस्ट में ऐड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज इसका ध्यान रखिए. नेक्स्ट टाइम पे हम ऐसे लास्ट मोमेंट एंट्री फिर अलाउ नहीं होगी. यू हैव टू रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ वेल इन टाइम.
My name is Himaksh.
हिमाक्ष शुरू करो.
Enjoy the nature, connect with creature, feel beautiful miracle, touch the pinnacle, smell the fragrance of the flower, all eternal power. Thank you.
Thank you, Himaksh. Now anybody is there who is left जिसका नाम हमने नहीं लिया? प्लीज टेल अस, अगर कोई बच्चा ऐसा है जिसका नाम हमने नहीं लिया है तो आप प्लीज बताइए. इज देयर एनीबडी? ऐसा कोई पार्टिसिपेंट है जिसका नाम मैडम ने नहीं लिया है तो अभी बोल दीजिए, अदरवाइज फिर हम अपना प्रोग्राम ओवर करते हैं. Okay, thank you, children. It was really a nice program. You all have recited the poem very well. Thank you once again. Bye and take care.
Same.
Bye, Naya.